Back with another review, taking a look today at the Kobe 4 gold medal. Let's dive right into these Kobes. So this is just a beautiful pair of Kobes. Obviously with the Olympics going on, perfect time to re-release these. The Kobe 4 gold medal, just stunning, very well executed. Let's dive into the bottom. You got that Kobe 4 outsole. You got solid rubber at the back portion of the herringbone, semi-translucent on the front, kind of a milky look to it. Looks very nice. You do have the real carbon fiber that looks all on point. That Phylon midsole is in white. You do have the Zoom Air back here, right there in the print. Looking good. Going around to the medial side. This pair is pretty clean, guys, as far as glue residue. Looking for those little extra white lines going from the midsole to the upper. Not really seeing that, which is a good sign. Nice clean glue job. Looking very nice. Now, as far as the fit and comfort of the shoe, these fit true to size. Whatever you wear in a Kobe, I would go with those. These do have the OG kind of setup as far as the cushion. You're going to get a zoom unit back here in the heel and then no zoom up in the forefoot, just this Phylon midsole. So the Kobe 4 plays very low to the ground, great for court feel. A lot of people will swap out the insole for some extra cushion. You can certainly do that. I tell you, go and do that right away because well, we'll get into that in a minute, but at any rate, go to your normal Kobe 4 size. So the upper, you have this first gen fly wire in white. You can see the fly wire strands, that dark obsidian, same thing with the swoosh. And then this metallic gold on the synthetic leather, absolutely beautiful. Such an eye-catching pair of Kobes. You got the snake print around the mudguard and then flat leather right here. Kind of grainy, but very, very soft and breathable. Really good quality. It's synthetic, obviously, because it's a Kobe, but very nice. You do have the correct red and blue speckled laces. You can see the dark obsidian mesh on the tongue, synthetic leather up here at the top, and then of course your Shizuoka logo in gold. Looks great. Your sock liner is all in that dark obsidian as well, and then you can see the insole down there with the gold metal design. I did remove the insole from the other shoe, so we'll take a look at that here in a moment. Your padding around here, the ankle, feels good. You've got more of that kind of flat synthetic leather. Looks perfect. You do have the heel counter in this nice metallic gold with the white Kobe signature. And then, of course, the back of the shoe. Got that nice Kobe 4 shape with the number 10 pressed in, of course, for his Olympic number. Looks good. Pressed in nice and clean right there to this scaly leather. Medial side, again, you got that obsidian swoosh outlined in red. Everything looks completely on point with this one, guys. Let's bring in the left shoe and see how it looks compared to the other one. Looking pretty stinking clean. See how they line up from the rear. I think the height and shape, everything is pretty well on point, guys. Looking really good. Nothing to complain about. Let's check out that 10. Again, pressed in. Really nice on that leather. Heel counter, good. Of course, this one you don't have the signature, which is correct. It's only supposed to be on the right shoe. Medial side of this one, again, very clean. Looking for those white lines, the glue lines from like a little bit sloppy glue job. Not really seeing it on this pair. Very impressed with that. Again, your leather on the toe box looks great. You've got that Shizuoka logo in metallic gold. Everything looks really nice on this pair, guys. Beautiful pair of Kobes. Let's get this light on here and I'm gonna show you the Strobel of the shoe. So you just got that gray Strobel, and I think you can actually see the outline right here of that zoom unit in the heel. Again, nothing up in the forefoot, just that Phylon midsole. And again, that's why I think a lot of players, I know for myself, I like to swap out the insole in my Kobe 4 just for a little bit more cushioning. But go ahead and do that right away because let me show you here. You do have the regular tissue paper. And then here is the insole with that gold metal design. And then here's why I was saying to go and do it right away. There is a ton of glue on these insoles. This is going to heat up and stick to your Strobel if you wear them some and then try to swap out the insole. It's going to be really hard to get this out. So I tell you guys, if you're going to do it, put in a different insole, go ahead and do that right away. So that is the correct Ortholite insole. Shoes looking phenomenal. Let's set them to the side. We're going to take a look at our packaging. Does come with the updated Protro box, the scale print all over it with the gloss signature, gloss Shizuoka logo. We're going to get a gloss swoosh here, your branding on the bottom, and then around here another swoosh, and your box label is Kobe 4 Protro white, dark obsidian, varsity red. These are men's size 8, women's 9.5. Inside, each shoe was packaged individually inside these little plastic bags just for some extra protection. And then you have the cards and your tissue paper inside. All that looks good. Box was pretty well protected in shipment as well. No real issues with that, so appreciate that. And the shoes looking phenomenal. Again, just a beautiful classic pair of Kobe 4s. Perfect timing as we're coming up on the Olympics. Just looking great.